All right, this right here is a steam humidifier. I got it all working. It's one of the best humidifiers you can get in your house. It controls steam perfectly, turns water into steam. I'm going to show you the maintenance we're doing on one today. So this one was still working. It just was not making much humidity. It was turning on, flushing, turning off, very short cycles. First things first though, we got to turn off the power. We can't kill ourselves, so power's got to go off. So I already had my first hiccup. Somehow this unit is not draining. Technically, when you turn off the humidifier, the drain's supposed to go on and empty that canister. That canister has a lot of mineral built up in it, and it's probably blocking that drain. It's just not draining. So my canister is like a half full of water right there. So that's why I'm sort of pausing and trying to figure out how to best get this canister out of there. This thing is yellow and nasty, all built up with minerals inside. It is on its last leg, and it's probably clogging up my drain. All right, so here we go. I got the bucket ready because there's going to be some water spilled. What I'm doing now is trying to get that rubber steam hose off of the top of the canister. There are also two electrodes to plug in and a water sensor right in the back. So a little bit of wrestling happening to make sure you don't do any damage. Ooh, there goes that water. And you can see I got the water sensor, level sensor at the top I just disconnected. Here are those 3 wires you connect to the top. What I'm doing now is cleaning the bottom of that drain. All those minerals and that gunk just went down the bottom and clogged it. All right, there's my new canister. For this application, we are using the model 80LC, which is for lower water conductivity. The normal model is model 80. We're trying this here because our water is not that hard. We got the O-ring for the drain. We've got a recall notice. Pay attention to this. Look at the shape of the connectors on top for the canister. If that shape is wrong, then please call ICS because it's recalled. Dangerous, dangerous. Look at that shape, exactly. Pay attention to all of your instructions. And of course, we're going to put that O-ring back in there. You have to wrestle with the old O-ring a little bit, hard to grab, but once you get it out, put the new one in, make sure it's seated perfectly. This is what's going to stop water from spilling out. Your canister has to sit in there perfectly. I've been in a situation where somebody doesn't put it in right and you get water all over the place. Very important step. All right, so now the fun part, now you get to observe it operating. You have to stick around for full cycles, meaning it's going to take a little bit of time, 15-20 minutes. You want to see the steam produced, you want to see what it does, you want to see it drain. You have to stay there, you have to make sure it's operational to the fullest extent. And while we wait, here's that old canister. Just listen to that bad boy. A lot of minerals in there. So I'm about 20 minutes into the humidifier here operating. When I started humidifier, the humidity in the house was about 30%. Now it's 40%. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. So the benefits of a humidifier are huge. Prevents dry skin, irritated eyes, sore throat, helps keep mucous membranes moist, eliminates static electricity, enhances your sleep quality, prevents cracking and warping of your wood and your furniture, and of course the air feels warmer and reduces heating costs as well in the winter. Prevents the HVAC system from straining because it provides more even temperatures and it helps retain the heat better. Now, also, call us if you want a humidifier installed. Like and share.